Hi guys, it's Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop, and today I want to give you some tips on doing the abdominal assessment. Did you know out of all of your assessments and managements that abdominal is the only one that must go in order? If you didn't know that, be sure you check out your critical elements for the abdominal assessment. So this one, you need to create a mnemonic that goes in order. You need to follow it in that order, and you need to chart it in that order. So a biggie that I'm seeing with students, that when they're writing their mnemonic, they forget about suction. Suction has to be turned off before you listen, and then you have to turn it on immediately after you listen before you palpate their abdomen. So we're going to look first, then we're going to turn the suction off, then we're going to listen, then we're going to turn the suction back on. So make sure that you're including suction off and on in your mnemonic. Make sure you follow it in that order, and make sure you chart it in that order, and you can't go wrong. For more information, check out our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.